What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Previews and Vlogs. Thanks for coming back. If you have been here before, thanks for the support. If you have not been here before, please smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell to get notifications on when I drop new videos. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Previews and Vlogs. So alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Nike Air Max 90 QS. In other words, the Nike Air Max Mars Landing is what it's called. Now QS stands for Quickstrike, but the reason they call it the Mars Landing is because of the colorway of the actual shoe. Nike did this to collaborate with NASA and pretty much kind of celebrate the unmanned spacecraft landing that they had out on the Red Planet, and the colorway itself shows that. The entire colorway looks like something you would see on the planet Mars. Now, I'm not going to talk about the box. It's your normal Nike box, nothing special there. But the actual colorway of the shoe looks like, again, like the planet Mars. So we're going to close look at this. Now, Nike has done about 127 color variations or even just variations on this shoe. So let's take a closer look at the shoes here now. So on the front of the shoe itself, you have, of course, the rounded Nike or Air Max, your normal Air Max 90. Yeah, nothing special with the shoe design-wise. You have your thick laces on there. It does come with an extra set of laces. One is just the regular flat thick laces, and the other ones have a reflective on there. On the tongue, you have the labeled Nike with the Nike Swish Air on there, of course, the emblem. The padded collar. On the actual collar, you have some actual designs as well. The insole has Nike Air branded on there. Same thing with some design on there, make it look like the planet Mars. On the back of the shoe, you have another embroidery, which is your normal shield or your metallic shield that says Nike Air on there, and that's always been on all of them. But with that shield, just the way the shoe looks, it looks like pretty much a spacecraft kind of collaboration. You know, basically, again, just looking like the planet Mars. On the sides, you have the Nike Swish emblem. On the inner, of course, of the side, on the inner side here of both shoes, you have Nike Air Max branded on there as well. You have your normal air cushioning at the bottom on the sole. The bottom of the shoe has translucent, kind of grayish Nike rubber, of course. Now, with this shoe, it has become more of a fashion statement than an actual running shoe. I'm not sure if people still use it for running. If you guys do, let me know. I know that the ones that I have, I use more to go out. If you're gonna go out with the family, you're gonna go with your friends, hang out. You know, you can wear this with almost anything, and especially all the color variations they have of this shoe. You can pretty much find anything to match any outfit you have. So that's a quick look at the actual shoe. Now here are some shots of this shoe with the reflective 3M on there. It looks pretty cool. If you take it on a regular picture and then you take a picture with a flash on there, how it reflects off the flash, it looks pretty amazing. So here is the picture, your regular shoe, of course, just the normal color. And this picture here shows you the picture taken with a flash. Also, you could see another picture here. It shows you, I pulled the reflective laces out, the insole here, that they're still in the bag, but you can see how the one lace, the orange laces with the reflectors on there, that reflects out as well. The bottom sole actually gives you, has a reflection as well. Looks pretty cool, actually. I think I like it. I mean, if you were wearing these shoes out and somebody was to snap a picture late at night, that shoe would definitely make you stand out a lot more. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Do you like the colorway? Do you like the shoe? Do you even actually like the Air Max? And if you do, leave the comments down below. What do you like about it? Were you thinking of getting a pair of shoes? Did you get a pair of these? So that's the end of this video. Again, it was a quick video, nothing much to talk about on the Nike. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make bitches, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, you want us, red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffinin'. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Big Papa, word the G, baby. Look, labs till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave. And I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it. Know this isn't what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade. And I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know.